The good thing about our process is we're not A tech dependent. We have, entry level technicians disassembling, reassembling cars. We have B level technicians, and we obviously have A level technicians. We're also big because we're so process driven on promoting from within. We've actually found that the people that work for us understand how we do things. If they don't have the skill set, we can almost teach them the skill set faster than getting some people that have historically done things a certain way to change their mindset. So for instance, we had to let go our painter at our second location without hesitation. We had a prepper at our first location. We were like, let's throw him into the role. He's been a great employee for us. He understands how we want cars to flow through the paint shop. He's painted a little bit. He's definitely doesn't have a lot of gun time, but we're going to give him the opportunity to shine, and he's doing great now.